Joan of Art here. We are in Baguio City. Night market. All sorts of merchandise. It's pretty cold up here. Great bargains right here. Super low prices of just about anything. Pinatog. Baguio street food. That's corn. How do they even get organized is just beyond me. That's the longest night market I've ever seen. Just too many. And right across is the Igorot Garden. The restaurant has, I think, 3 levels. This is the really bottomest of them all, and it's a vegan themed cafe. Upstairs there's rice meals and pasta dishes. It's just so awesome, this place. There's too many places to explore. Loads of artworks wherever you look at. It's just full of things to see and experience. It's just full of everything so artsy fartsy. Everywhere you go, it's just amazing piece of art.
Now, but this is a cinema. That is the most rustic cinema I think I've ever seen. And it is inside a ship. And then the ship is a restaurant.
And look at the seats. It looks like people, like spectators of the cinema. Oh my gosh. I'm now seated at the cinema of Ili Likha by Kidlat Tahimik, and just awed and amazed by this huge artwork of a cinema. Just amazing.
Yeah, this.
So cool to be up here, sitting at the balcony of this really, really artistic cinema. Even the floor is just bottles, bottles, bottles everywhere. And mosaic staircases, really abstract and really an experience just to be here and experience this place. Just going here and there. Right, even the staircase. Oops. Careful. Oops. Concentrate. Looks like Jose Rizal. Yeah. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal.
I think he doesn't celebrate Christmas, but he celebrates all the holidays related to
Rizal.
Rizal.
So Rizal Day, Rizal's birthday.
Yes.
No Christmas, but Rizal's Day.
Yes.
Is he a Rizalista?
Yes po.
Ah, okay. Is that our order?
No po. This is the raw zucchini noodles po. Thank you po. You can try it next time po.
Okay, next time. So that explains why there are a lot of Rizal-inspired artworks. Here, every corner, there's Jose Rizal. Because Kidlat is a Rizalista. This is our meal now. Bon appetit! Well, I've had my fill for tonight. This is Joan of Art, and see you again tomorrow for another Baguio experience. Like, share, and subscribe. See ya! Bye-bye! This can't be happening in Starbucks.